In this tutorial, you'll learn how to run Express Planner and review the generated forecast results. Start by opening the Budget and Forecast module for the property you want to plan. Click the Tools icon and select Run Express Planner. Express Planner uses your property's existing data and planning settings to automatically generate revenue and labor forecasts. First, select the planning period you want to forecast. Next, choose whether you want to generate a forecast or a budget plan. In this example, we'll create a forecast. Under what to include in this plan, choose the forecast elements you want Express Planner to generate. In this example, we'll include ancillary revenue and labor hours. Before running the plan, review the planning summary at the bottom of the screen. This section shows the data sources and planning rules that will be used to generate the forecast. Once everything looks correct, click Create Plan. Express Planner will now calculate the forecast based on your selected settings and available property data. Depending on the size of your property and planning period, this may take a few moments. When the process is complete, you'll see a confirmation message indicating that the forecast has been successfully generated. To review the generated results, click Go to Result. The forecast results are displayed within Budget and Forecast. Use the department selector at the top of the page to switch between departments and review the generated values. You can review forecasts for departments such as reception, housekeeping, restaurant, kitchen, spa, and others depending on your property configuration. Review the generated revenue, productivity, and labor values for the departments that are most relevant to your planning process. If you'd like to understand how the forecast was calculated, return to Express Planner and open View Reports. Here you'll find a list of previously generated planning reports. Select the appropriate run to open its validation report. The validation report provides a detailed breakdown of the forecast, including the planning settings used, data sources, key variances, and calculation details behind the generated results. We'll cover how to read and validate the report in a separate tutorial. You have now successfully run Express Planner and reviewed the generated forecast results.